This is the Bisgear camping cookware set. As you can see, everything comes in this little bag for storage. This is a little skillet. See, I can work everything with one hand. Comes with a little handle that folds in. This is your cooking pot. The lid does not fit on there, by the way. Everything stores inside of here. This is your little ladle, and the handle pops into place. And that's in case you're cooking soups or beans. Easy to get it out. There's two little bowls. They're pretty good size for what they are, and that's so you can put your food in too, so you can eat it. That also has the handles that fold in. It's a decent little sized pot. Wooden spoon. This is for you to cook with. Made for right or left hands. And inside here, and inside this little pouch, we have a fork, the knife, there's your spork, and there's your spoon. Each one of these unfold. That's your little locking mechanism. There you go. And they store quite easily inside this little pouch. This this is the to put on a propane or butane. And once you have that on your propane or butane canister, pan would naturally sit on top of it, so you can do your cooking. It's a pretty neat little set. The Bisgear camping cookware set. I think you'll enjoy this.